Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Master Zim Tech Guy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a PC case. Now, for people who are familiar with computers, you'll be like, why would you make a video like that? But there are a lot of people who are starting out with building PCs who don't know how to open PC cases. Now here, as you can see, I have a case from WJCoolman. It's called the DT M2 case. So it's in this box. It's actually new. So we're going to take it out of the box. Now, obviously to do that, the best thing is to open one part. Like here, I've opened it from the back. So I'm going to put the PC case like this and then open the box, right? Okay, so let me just find someone to hold and then drag it out, just make sure. Okay, drag out the case like this. And let me just put this box just down here and bring the PC itself. It's here. So this is the PC. We're just going to make it stand upright. Now we're going to take this, throw it into the box, and the other way as well. Okay, and just make it lie by the side, just like this. Okay, put that in the box, and then be delicate because there's tempered glass here. Okay, so now like this. And then we'll remove the rest of the plastic and put it in the box. So there's our PC. Right, here on this case we have this sort of mesh grill that is here. This is where the fans go. Actually, I think you'll be able to put 120mm fans or two 140mm fans on this particular case. Now that just depends on the case that you'll be getting. So we are actually able to remove this, and to do that on this case is actually easy. Just grab by the side here and just pull and pull, right? And make sure that you put this in a good place. So I'm just going to put it in the box. As you can see, this is where your fans go. Now on this particular case again, we're actually able to get rid of this mesh glue again so that we can access. Let me just put it in the box so that we can access the place where we place our fans. So that's how you remove this from the front. Now this just depends on the case. The front mesh on other cases, I'll show you, for example. Let me just put this by the side. Now in this case, this is the NX270 from Antec, right? This one you need a bit of force to be able to access the front so that you can be able to change the fans. Now you just come here at the bottom, there's like a grip here. Make sure that you hold it properly. And at times you think maybe you're breaking it, but you're not breaking it. Or just do it gently and just tug, just like that. So that is how you access fans, depending on the case. This is how you access the front portion so that you're able to replace the 120mm fans. All right, so let me just close it up. Now this is how you close it up. Just make sure that it snaps into place. Let me just put this by the side so that we continue with our case. All right, so now that we have access on the front, on the top as well, there's this dust protector here. It's actually magnetic on most cases. So you can actually just pick it up and put it by the side, right? And here you also have access to mount fans. Now you need to mount them. You place them inside, depending if you have, like, let's say maybe you have a water cooler. This way you're able to mount it. Now on the back panel, this side of the back, if you notice there, these two things holding this together. Now you're able to use a screwdriver if you want to. You can actually unscrew this, but most times they actually give you it's more like a thumb screw. So you can be able to just unlock it. This is anti-clockwise, and then for you to be able to access it, obviously, like in this case, there's this grip here. You just click on it and click and drag. And when you drag, you can access the back panel, right? Now, when it comes to the tempered glass section of your PC case, it just depends on the sort of design that's there, but it's almost works pretty much the same. But on this case, it has this latch here. So what we need to do is just simply pull this latch so that we can access the inside of the PC case. Now be careful, this is tempered glass, you don't want it to break. Now for us to get rid of the door altogether, the tempered glass, we simply need to lift it, like on this particular case, lift it, and I'll just put the tempered glass by the side as well. And that is how you access on this particular case. Now, it's not standard on every case. Let me show you with the Antec case that it can be different. So let me just put this by the side and show you how you do it. So now this is my Antec case. There are screws that you can use to unscrew. Okay, this one is actually particularly tough. Let me just find a screwdriver. So you need to locate these. There are four of these. So we just need to unscrew this. Just do that. Be very, very careful, especially with this ones, because the screws, they come out the whole way. In some cases they don't, so which is a nice touch, but with these ones you just have to be extra careful. So I'm just going to unscrew these. Okay. Now just make sure that one of your hand just keeps pressing on the tempered glass, otherwise it will just fall, right? So this is the last one. Right, you just press on the case so that I don't get to break the glass. Right. Okay, now I can remove the tempered glass. Just come to the side here, just give it a slight tap. And that is how you remove tempered glass on this particular case, right? So now that's how you remove it. Now putting it back together, you simply do the whole process that I did in reverse. So yeah, let me just put the tempered glass here. So that's it, guys. This is how you access or this is how you open a case if you're starting out with PC building, or you just want to know how to open a case. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.